Good morning students. Welcome to VBPS e-learning class. Students, I hope you all are fine. Now this is your maths period. Myself is Anubha Agrawal and I am your maths teacher. Most of the students are asking that pre-periodic syllabus is coming in the periodic exam or not. So students, pre-periodic syllabus is not coming in the periodic exam. Only periodic syllabus is coming in the periodic exam. Students, chapter 4 that is fraction and chapter 7 that is percentage. Only these two chapters are coming in the periodic exam. Now students, maths is the only subject which need practice. So you have to practice maths daily. Make a target that you have to practice 5 questions daily. Now students, yesterday I told you that today I will take your revision test of chapter 4 that is fraction. I hope that you all have learned it. So students, take out a piece of paper and on the top of the paper write today's date, that is 1st October 2020, and after that on the top of the paper you have to write your name, class, section and subject. After that you will write revision test. Now students, you don't need to copy down the question. You just have to write the answer of each question. Students, let's start your revision test. Students, this is your revision test paper. Now students, yesterday I told you that today I will take your revision test of fill in the blanks, true and false, match the following and take the correct answer based on chapter 4 that is fraction. So here is your revision test. Students, it is compulsory for you all to attend all the question. Now come to question 1. Fill in the blank. Students, you can see here some blanks are given to you and you have to write some words in these blanks. So come to question 1. The reciprocal of a number of fraction is known as its dash. Question 2. A fraction cannot be divided by dash. Question 3. A proper fraction with numerator 1 is called dash. Now students, you will write only heading of the question, that is fill in the blanks. After that you can write answer of this question. No need to copy down the whole question. Students, come to question 2. Match the following. This is a column A and this is a column B, and you have to match column A with the column B. Question 1. Unit fraction. Question 2. Improper fraction. Question 3. 3 by 5 into 0. Question 4. Reciprocal of 5 by 6. Students, this is a column A. 6 by 5. 1 by 4. 8 by 3. 0. This is a column B. Now students, you have to match the column A with the column B. Students, in this question you have to write the question also and the correct answer also. Now students, come to question 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. Students, you can see here statements are given to you and you have to tell whether these statements are true or false. Question 1. A fraction is a part of a whole. Question 2. We can write improper fractions as mixed fraction. Question 3. The reciprocal of 1 is 1. Students, in this question, you will write question 3. State whether the following statements are true or false. After that, you will write only answers of these questions. No need to copy down the whole question. Now students, come to question 4. Tick the correct answer. Question 1. 5 by 4 into 3 by 4 is same as. Students, you can see here 3 options are given to you and you have to tick the correct answer. Option A, 5 by 4. Option B, 15 by 16. Option C, 3 by 4. Question 2. The fractions which have same denominator are known as. Students, here also 3 options are given to you and you have to tick the correct answer. Option A, like fractions. Option B, unlike fractions. Option C, reciprocal. Students, in this question, you will write question 4, tick the correct answer, and after that, you can write only answer of these 2 questions. No need to copy down the whole question. Now students, come to question 5. Write the table of 7. Students, you have to write the table of 7 in your copy or in a piece of paper in which you are giving a test. So students, this is your revision test paper. Now come to homework. Students, tomorrow I will take your revision test of chapter 7, that is percentage. You have to practice exercise 7A and 7B. Tomorrow I will take revision test of exercise 7A and exercise 7B. So students, practice these 2 exercises. Students, note on your homework in your copy or in your diary.